10 Proven Health Benefits of Turmeric. Turmeric may be the most effective nutritional supplement in existence. Many high-quality studies show that it has major benefits for your body and brain. The most powerful herb on the planet at fighting and potentially reversing disease. Turmeric benefits include so many healing properties. 1. Natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation plays an essential role in the body, helping to fight off infection and repair damaged tissues. The journal Oncogene published a study in 2004 showing curcumin even matched the effectiveness of some well-known anti-inflammatory drugs, without any negative side effects. 2. Turmeric supports a liver detox. Your liver plays a key role in detoxifying the body by acting as a filter to remove toxic substances. According to the University of Maryland Medical Center, curcumin stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile. Since the liver uses bile to eliminate toxins, turmeric can indirectly help your body get rid of toxins. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are a natural antidote for free radicals. They're found in fruits and vegetables. They are a key reason why people who eat more fruits and veggies live longer, healthier lives. And evidence suggests that curcumin is one of the best antioxidants out there. Not only does it act as an antioxidant, studies show curcumin can boost the effectiveness of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. 4. Heart health benefits. Curcumin has beneficial effects on the heart, because it improves the function of the endothelium, the tissue that forms a single layer of cells lining various organs and cavities of the body. Especially the blood vessels, heart, and lymphatic vessels. Improving endothelium function helps decrease risk of developing coronary diseases. 5. Curcumin has proven arthritis benefits. Arthritis is a common disorder characterized by joint inflammation. Many studies have shown that curcumin can help treat symptoms of arthritis, and can be more effective than anti-inflammatory drugs, and it's due to its potent and inherent anti-inflammatory benefits. 6. Curcumin can help alleviate depression. A study in 60 depressed patients showed that curcumin was as effective as Prozac in alleviating the symptoms of depression. This study provides first clinical evidence that curcumin may be used as an effective and safe modality for treatment in patients with major depressive disorder, without concurrent suicidal ideation, or other psychotic disorders. 7. Curcumin is good for the brain. Curcumin is more than just an anti-inflammatory compound. It's one of the few compounds on Earth capable of boosting brain DHA levels. Curcumin elevates levels of enzymes involved in the synthesis of DHA from ALA in both liver and brain tissues. 8. Prediabetics. Turmeric shows promise for prediabetes. It shows remarkable potential for people who are prediabetic. That is, people with elevated blood glucose levels who have an increased risk of developing diabetes. The Journal of the American Diabetes Association showed that the prediabetic group who received turmeric extract had 0 instances of diabetes development after 9 months. 9. Anti-aging support. Aging is one of those things everyone wants to slow down. We all want to feel young, have boundless energy, and have flawless skin. It turns out that getting a daily dose of turmeric may help you turn back the clock a little. Since oxidation and inflammation are thought to play a key role in aging, turmeric is a potent anti-aging superfood. 10. Turmeric has antimicrobial properties. Turmeric has also been found to have powerful antimicrobial activity against bacteria, fungi, and viruses including Candida albicans, and even Giardia, by inhibiting parasite growth and their ability of stick to mucosa lining.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share your friends and family. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is totally free.